Hey everyone, welcome to Wealth Forge. Picture this. You are at the dealership, test driving a sleek $50,000 SUV. The salesperson says only $700 a month. Sounds doable, right? But in 2026, that doable payment is a trap for most people. Today, we're exposing the brutal truth. Can you really afford a $50,000 car? We'll do the full math. Payments, insurance, gas, depreciation, interest, and share real stories of people who got burned or got smart. If you're thinking about a new car, this could save you from years of regret. Let's dive in. Why does $50,000 feel normal? In 2026, the average new car price is around $48,000 to $50,000. Dealers push 72 or 84-month loans to make payments seem low. Social media is full of people flexing new rides, so FOMO hits hard. But payments are just the tip. Add everything else, and it's a different story. Question: how much do you spend on your car monthly? Comment below. We'll see if it's in the danger zone. Let's crunch numbers for a $50,000 car. Assume 20% down, $10,000 cash or trade-in, finance $40,000 at 6.7% average rate for 72 months. Monthly loan payment, about $680. Insurance. Full coverage averages $225 per month in 2026. Gas. For 12,000 miles per year on a midsize SUV, around $250 per month at current fuel prices. Maintenance / tires / registration. $100 to $200 per year or $15 to $30 per month. Total, $900 to $1,100 every month. On the median U.S. household income of $81,000, $5,000 take-home per month, that's 18 to 22% of your pay. Experts say keep car costs under 10 to 15% to avoid stress. That's the brutal part. It's eating your budget alive. Depreciation is the silent killer. New cars lose 20 to 30% value in the first year. $10,000 to $15,000 all gone instantly. Story time. Meet Alex, a 32-year-old teacher. He bought a $50,000 truck in 2025. After a year, it was worth $37,000. He owed $38,000, negative equity. When he tried to trade in, he had to roll $1,000 debt into the next loan, starting the cycle. Over 5 years, depreciation could hit $25,000 plus. That's money you could have invested instead. Shocking, right? Interest makes it worse. At 6.7% on $40,000 over 72 months, you pay approximately $9,000 in interest. Extend to 84 months? Interest jumps to $11,000 plus. Traps. Low down payment means higher rates. Long loans keep you upside down. Story. Maria, 28, financed $45,000 at 7% for 84 months. Total paid $60,000 plus. She regrets it. Could have bought used and invested the difference. In 2026, with rates stable around 6 to 7%, avoid long loans. Who can truly afford it? Rule. Payment less than 10% take home, total costs less than 15 to 20%. For $50,000 car, need $80,000 to $100,000 plus income to stay comfortable. If your income is average, $81,000 household, it's risky. One emergency away from trouble. Ask yourself, would you rather drive fancy or sleep easy? Alternatives? Buy used $25,000 to $35,000. Save $15,000 plus upfront. Drive current car longer. Pay off debt first. Invest savings. $500 per month at 7% return grows to approximately $100,000 in 10 years. Success story. David, 35, skipped $50,000 SUV, bought $30,000 used, invested extra $300 per month. Now he's debt-free with growing portfolio. Regret story. Lisa bought big. Now pays $1,000 per month. Can't save for house. Choose wisely. Verdict. In 2026, a $50,000 car is affordable only for high earners with discipline. For most, it's a trap. What's your take? Comment. What's the most you've spent on a car? Like, subscribe. Bell on for more brutal truths. Thanks. Forge smarter wealth. See you next.